Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Anakas alim sauti kudina me baddal kolli section 6 ke devana filavalu tikudina hame genestinu mattaka hasako grade dihe gatalim hasil kuramunda emmiha dari varunna. Miyadaso kiyadem meule topic ki trade protection. Meharu midi haftaga international trade and specialization wani tikudina hame genestifu एगोतम सेक्शन 6 के देवाना बा ट्रेड प्रोटेक्शन नायको सो मियादो टिको देना में बात को मी लेसन का टिको देना इंगेंजे है बात की ट्रेड प्रोटेक्शन ने की कोचे का एटलीस्ट एम प्रथम विस इंगेंजे है दें एबहुरी वारा गिना वत्तरो तके measures ke hotuga sarkaru beenun hura ehma ege komme ecche identify ko explain kora tikudina egen jehene identify and describe different methods that the government used for trade protection and also the reasons for and the consequences of using trade protection. Why government should use trade restrictions and why government should not use trade restrictions. Ema trade protection के definition ना मी का बेनों कुरा methods थका मी बेनों कुरा जेहे reasons थका बेनों कुरीमा कॉमर्स वाला countries थका लिबे disadvantages मी के कुदिंग इन्ना के बाइंगे जेहे. Okay, so एमे फुरता सीधा हम टॉपिक के बात का दियो में कोई हिंगा बक कॉमर्स वाला मी के तरफ वादला मादा we buy goods from all over the world. That's a fact. Many goods have been bought and sold between different countries. That's also a fact. Despite the advantages of international trade, government put restrictions on what products people can buy. एक माने की दुनिया का उफद्दा हुरिहा अगावमका अनुदे दियस समय में बेन वर्का इतरे नुकुरवे. There are some restrictions. Me as to harme me ado. So tikudina explain ko de miule cheki aslo. So why do they put restrictions on foreign products? Mi lesson ko nimero sa umya do kurane ti hura ko dinang reasons ta ka hura chips ingen kam. Iya ke kuri duwa nane habaron so fenomeno chemi ituru bayet taketi invest duty khandala. Midakani kom wahaketto. Coronavirus गुलिगें इतुरु बाय तगतिंग import duty खंडाला फी दुनिया के हाल कमाया को फित्र मंता कोरोना वायरस राजे इन फेनोमा गुलिगें सिही कुलिन रक्कलु के हाल तियोलान को रक्का तेरे कम फेवलो दनी अलमुन्ने एकमा गुलिगें कुरिंग ओती सर्जिकल मास्क हैंड्स सैनिटाइजर इन्वेस्ट ड्यूटी खंडाला फी ड्यूटी मी कौन ड्यूटी एक वाहक गुदिन हियवन में दक्कने ड्यूटी है कि कोचिकं मिलेसन निमेरो कुदिन इंगेन asto so kudina explain ko dem mule trade restrictions no ni trade barriers ge waha kasumi habaru kami gunani. Let's continue though. Okay, trade protection na key ko chekan. So these are the deliberate restrictions on imports by the government in order to protect domestic industries. मी के definition का conditions तक ये बहुत चाहिए. मी सरकारों हम deliberately गेंगुले measures तक एक खांग definition का इम्पे बाइंडन चाहिए. मी measures ता मैगंड को तेगा मी खांडालनी import सक्कंग अदी मी के मैगंड पेड़ों की domestic farms माने की local business ता encourage करना नोनी local business ता protect उरुमुगे बेनुमुगा मी गवर्नमेंटों यूज करा measures तक मीगे तेरे का वारा बैर measures तक बहीमेने दिन आमको एम important चीज़ हो तिको दिन शेयर कोल्लाना. One is called tariff Another one is called quota, embargo, exchange control, quality standards, expensive paperwork, and subsidy. Emima ekede tinen hatare fain hain hate. Mi ha wattaru ane measures ge gotuga aamuko countries ta kumi benu purani aneka ikudinge text hotas hilabhoge sama aamuko adi past paper ges emi test waltaka balala erges aamukon aha fondani mi bad. Ema mi harda swami wali migen komme bayaka detail koddamege wararangalan adu wacce nge kudi tariff. This is a tax imposed on imported goods. Demme news kudinang efenano duty. Eyas the import duty aharu mikken eyas the tariff mikken. It is just a tax imposed on imported goods. Such tax can be called as customs or import duty. Although it could increase government revenue, tax evajjam tikudena miharu inga fonnani government revenue increase wanaka ehmejam import duty inwanta tariff nagagem sama government revenue increase wan e hama yagin kame ekam ege itura me tax ke magadu emakam efamonnani it is said to raise the cost and the price of imports e import pura mihun tax ke gotuko ituru bay sarukar dakkan jehijjekama wanyam emihunge total haradu e ituruvi aneka e haradu ituru vejjam emihuna emihun vikka agos bodu kuran e hama yagin kame then vikka ago bodu kuriyama miwagotaki so that the domestic farms can easily compete with imported farms abode sanabata trade protection ga sarukaru protect mi kurani local farms em imports import kura mi matu tax nagaya imports agubodu koffa fursatu medeni domestic local farms taka enu na compete koffa demand ituru koffa revenue ituru kurunata understand then tariff ange ba inde diagram ekam handa batta di hudin mi diagram ki sida o level syllabus ko mention ko fenna echennu mi diagram abehe gotun hasako suwalen nahane ehennam wes paper 2 ge writing paper ga mi diagram beenu kogge hama ti kudin answer improve kurevidana kama soya fenna ti homa mi diagram wes mi ga himada laf mi so it's like this now as you know when we are talking about a market we will always talk about demand and supply. So according to this, this demand and supply curve is showing the domestic demand and supply of goods and services in a particular country, in which P and Q shows the original domestic equilibrium price and quantity. Now, according to this diagram, this country has no relation to international trade. Miharu ikudinna fenna hisaba balakama banjam. But now what happens? There is one new curve attached. This is called world supply curve before any import duty. Why world supply curve is like a perfectly elastic supply curve? Because if a country is engaged in a free trade, that country can has a lot of opportunities to buy from different countries. Benung waraka if a country internationally engaged with hama benung waraka benung gaumakon echi eterkurumuge fursatu onnative that is always represented as a perfectly elastic supply curve. Now mihar mi diagram balance komja mihar meotti international ehen countries taka gulifa. So what will happen to the market now? Q2 ki as the mihar local farms taka supply ureve varu. Q1 ki local, I mean the total demand in the country. Country locally demand puravaru warang ituru. Ekam domestic farm nuni local farms taka contribute mi kureveni waram madu. then baki mi contribute kurani asluga imports. Mihin mutta imports wara bodobayin uletiwe government mi impose kurani tax ek e tax me kiyani tariff. Tariff impose mi kurani imports agubodu kurang, so there will be a reduction in imports. Then diagram miyanna impact ki the world supply curve will shift to up. Mere world supply aki P2 after tax ge effect P2. Now what happens to the amount that the domestic farm can supply? It's Q4 now. Kuriya boring itura mere domestic farms to contribute. Kureve demand Q3 reduced because taketi gagu commercial ka machadiyam demand fall one. emme muhimmu tankolo mihar miyannani mihar imports aki mid distance. So this is how you can explain using a diagram a tariff could reduce imports in a particular country. I hope you understood. Now the next method is called quota. Quota is also a restriction. Quota gamane ki it's a limit that is placed on the quantity of goods that can be imported into a country. Miga mi asu fasa behe comment no tax service no miga mi bunani government no kandalani country ka import korave waki atade. So that can also leads to a reduction in imports. Misalaka a country may limit the amount of cars it imports at 40,000. Horiga 60,000 misalaka import kura. Miyar 40 ya government to fix kori madu kori. That is called quota. Abota sadabatta mi horiha measures gives magad aimaki to reduce import and to encourage domestic farms. So the main difference between a tariff and quota is tariff involves money but quota does not involve money. It just reduces the supply of imports and make imported goods less and more expensive. So the demand for imports fall. As a result, domestic firms can increase their sales. Timwana me mesha emiken embargo. Quota ka miwagotiki import kurum waki waraka madumi kuren. Come embargo goga miwagotiki. There is a complete ban on imports with another country. Country ekon waki etche noni huriha etche ekko import kurum huttalani in order to protect the domestic farms. Mikala halata rajyamas komisaraka ebafene bayin halata oga bay kala etchis misalakan ega alcohol noni waki maadayen insanunna gellumwa maadayen himenetive etche import kurum ebori huttala. So that's an example of an embargo. A government might want to ban the imports of demerit goods misalaka gellumwa etchis misalaka so an external cost wara gina hunna etchi government to ban vedana embargo genna. A ban on trade with a particular country is usually introduced for political reasons. Misalaka muli country import kura horiya etchen huttalan sarukar kun nimmani ege economic benefit avore political reason. Now the next one is called exchange control. Now a government might want to stop household and farms buying imports. Household and farms need foreign currency to imports. They do this by restricting the amount of foreign currency. Misalaka import kurang eba beno beru fasa. Emas central bank beru fasa vikkawaru madu kollafiyam mi household adi business obviously beru fasa maduwan ema madum fasa libijjam enuna import kurevarus maduwan. Then in meshayaki quality standard. A country may require imports to reach artificially at high standard. Misalaka Singapore is one of the example. Komme kommeche Singapore ka important kureve ame mihumara bala check. Puramundane it has to be a very high quality goods. Mima komme farmers misalaka Singapore import puramejam balane emihun benumwa misalaka quality standard again me to edo. So this way also can help to reduce the imports to a certain extent. This measure either reduce other countries from selling to the country or push up their cost and price if they want to sell. माने कि import kuram beno vejjamu quality increase koggenne gennan jeni. In that case ega go sama machad danata. So that way also it helps to reduce the demand for imports. As a result, our domestic farms can be able to compete with this farm. Expensive paperwork keeps some mishai. This requires foreign firms to sell to the country to fill a considerable amount of time consuming paperwork. Megamagotaki Tiuria Singan custom me etching ether koffa. Then ether koffa eti custom on reports authority on beru kurang ever venum ve commerce for a paperwork by countries to go easy but anibla countries to go difficult deliberately but undagu ure vara bad form feel kuran jasami mikala kandataka. So this is also one of the way to reduce imports. So this may persuade them to switch to other countries reducing imports. This may also protect our domestic farms. Subsidy, this is an indirect way, not directly actually restricting the imports, but helping local farms to compete with international farms. A government may protect its domestic farms from cheaper imports by giving them subsidies. Subsidies are financial help given by the government to domestic farms. This enables domestic farms to reduce cost and increase output. As a result, demand increased due to lower price. Subsidy effect kimi. Supply will be increased. Domestic farms so they can easily compete with importing farms. Understood. Now, misabu minimuni astu mi measures ke tuka government benum kura methods ta. What will happen? Me army hamat hikudina so kollam benu swal visnalache. What will happen to protection when tariff and quota increase? It's not bad. When tariff increase, misalnya tax nagawar ituru kofya megamana ki domestic sarukarong ane local farms protect kuravarves ituru viye. Ema import esa bun davwana ta do. Ekam when quota increase, egamana ki mehara gina import kurevene. So gina import kureve halataka government ungengo siya egamana ki protection level decrease. Yeah. And now let's discuss about the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages की हम वजीफा ये हम imports restrict कोफ local farms तंग encourage कोल्ले मा उफेदे वजीफा ये हम वारा बड़ो advantage allow infant farms to grow. Infant farms की newly established farms internationally compete वमट्टा का सरकार वही बेनु मान. So in that case, it is very easy. Misalnya government to subsidy di fi memang navara fasehan internationally important big farms taka compete. Kurang. The mig hame kan infant farms taka visno hama sunset industries taka vis hama meeti varam muhim sunset industries taka ki declining industries taka hama varam muhim. Hama asako strategic industries taka vis hama varam muhim varam important industries taka sunnane. गाँव का इंडस्ट्री का अनुला नूले वेखाले इंडस्ट्रीज ता हुन्नाड एम इंडस्ट्रीज ता प्रोटेक्ट कुरुमट्टा काविस गवर्नमेंट के बजे मिखाला में शास्त्र के बेनो कुरु. It reduced dumping and harmful goods. Dumping international trade barriers so commercial ka explain ko defend foreign farms takung foreign countries takung as misala ka raje ka barang agoy ko ngechista vikhalma mikani dumping. Then harmful goods की हम demerit goods kan को देंगे एक हम trade protection measures the misal tariff quotas embargoes means the benum kurang hedima dumping we se reduce we emana ka agoye ko vikomuge fursaten no we tax ke sababun emion agubot kurang majbur we. Then BOP balance of payment is some favorable because it gives a room for domestic farms to increase the output. So the extra outputs can be exported. Export iturwe import davma ko balance of payment se bade hama improve ge bade then me har me declining industries ke waga demme so ama dakkafin kanne industry decline wairuga sarukaruge ehiye misalaga subsidy ennama mis libijjama emhuna hama warabbodu advantage ejakawan am ege itura hama important farms ta restrict coffee sama me industries ta warabbodu faida libena. Okay, let's talk about disadvantage. Misalkan apadu mi measures the tariff quotas subsidies achi benum kurakama manyama industries ta kum mi ma boda government to support depend wang ulefane nge mihun abilla misalaka mihun self sufficiency itur kuran ulefane, so that could be a disadvantage. Then it could result retaliations of working fahal. This is a very important term you can use. Retaliation ge mane ki misalaka Maldives song India anna import duty minagani nagakama manyam India ge India echi vikka mihunne hama gamas happy and nuwan India ge sarukaram happy and nuwan. So as a result India also may decide to take tax on our exports to India. Ebbayaku import duty negima ekama ingamunu jega ane ayakos import duty negum. So this is called retaliation. Hema ආහාරයෙන් මිසාලක import duty මේ increase කරණි import දක්ව ආහාරයෙන් හැම exporters මති කුරුමත් තක ඒකමකු මේ हालतක වාවතක exporters ඉතුරු පුරේවේ කණ්ඩෙන් එහෙන් countries තක මේ measures ත බේන කුරම් ෆෂාරිකම වන්න එහෙම මේ වර බොඩ disadvantage and lower choice in high price samaya ginamos import duty idi turuko fiam commercial ko import davwane import anna irugoes echi agubodu wekendan, so it's a great disadvantage for the consumers as well. And the opportunity cost might be huge because now misalaka mi raw materials import hoggen echi ofadda local farms tage ulefi hama vanyama, so they have to spend a lot now to buy imports as well. So that's it. Me discuss what is trade protection and what are its measures. Discuss tariff, quota, embargo, exchange control, subsidy, expensive paperwork and quality standard. We also discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of trade protection. So let's discuss about one MCQ. Which of the following would reduce trade restrictions in the country? Reduce the trade restrictions. माने कि यार imports गिना वाणी को एक कॉम्बिनेशन है बैन करिया. It should be increase in quota limits. मिसाल का 100 गए थे for 200 increase भी मम्मी यार नहीं होना import करे वरी तो रुआने. मम्मी हम पास paper करना खाला. सवाल ये देवन okay, that's all about MCQ. Now me structured goes मेरी अन्ना बाइक खाला सवाल मिसाल का define an infant industries. An infant industry is a newly established industry. Explain the difference between subsidy and exchange control. Warak ginang ade meharo trade protection ge measures they thi ge difference explain ko dem. For as on a tariff and quota ge me tafat explain ko dem. Then analyze how tariff could prevent dumping. Meharo tariff ki tax ekang e tax ke sababung ane importers ke agu mi ane cost ituruwa kan importers ke cost ituru vejje amo emi hunna vikkane agu vikka agu bodukura majbur wa kan. So in that case it could lead to reduction in dumping that you need to explain. Discuss whether or not trade protection is always beneficial for an economy. Country eka kiha benefit echitto misalaka mika demme so discuss kuri advantages and disadvantages kudinna answer gotu kali vidana. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like it and I hope you understood it. And our team members will meet you very soon with exchange rate. Okay, see you soon. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.